you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have June's Manifestation Box and Mother Earth Wrap Club by Gogh Jewelry Design. Do you want to know what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so June 2023 Manifestation Box and Mother Earth Wrap Club just arrived. They did send me these for review, so thank you so much for sending me both of your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know and you've been following me, you know this is one of my favorite monthly boxes. I absolutely love the jewelry. I love the stones. I love all of the pieces that they make. I love everything about it. I just can't say that enough. They were voted #1 for a reason, let me tell you. Let's go ahead and dive into the manifestation box first. I'll show you everything that is in here. Then I will show you the other one. And then at the very end, I will tell you all the pricing between the two if you want to know. So let's go ahead and start with this one first. It always comes in this really pretty blue box. Very, very simple and just beautiful. Ready to manifest your dreams? Yes, manifest the life you want to live. Always remember that. So with this one right here, when you open up the box, they always have like the tissue paper, they have a cute little sticker, and with this one, you will receive a necklace, a bracelet, a healing crystal, you will have the paper that we're working with for the month, and then you will have your actual astrology for the month as well. And with this one, when you do sign up, you tell them your wrist size, you tell them the length of the chain on the necklace that you would like, and your zodiac sign. So this is literally tailored just for you, and I love that. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. Some things will be down in here, some things will be down here, and then all of the paperwork is left in. And you also get 2 meditation cards. She gives you 2 in case you want to pass one to another, or you can keep them both, but there is 2 of them that is always involved. And it says, integrity is doing the right thing, even when no one is watching. Yes, definitely. Even when nobody is watching. As long as you always practice the same good habits, then it doesn't matter who's watching or not. You know, you're doing your part and you're doing good. So you have that. So then what we're working with for this month is integrity and the importance of the choices we make in life. So you have this whole form here that you can sit down and read. This again is what we'll be practicing for this month. Then you will have your astrology. Mine says May, but this is supposed to be June. So maybe that part just didn't change because it says exciting month in June. So just don't mind that May right there. That's supposed to be June. This is my June astrology forecast for the month. Again, I am Scorpio, so it's tailored just for my sign. So I love being able to sit down and read through that and just learn about my own astrology for the month as well, which is super neat. Then there's also some paperwork in here that they give. It's fully colorful, so you can see a little bit more of their beautiful, gorgeous jewelry, which I absolutely love looking at, wearing, and everything. So I'm even wearing one of them today. Literally every day, I tell you guys this. Once I'm done, before I grab my purse and my keys, I check to see what matches, and I grab 1, 2, 3, however many my little heart desires, and that's what I'm wearing. Oh, and I will show you guys. I've had a few of you guys ask if you can see how I keep them displayed, because I tell you I have a little display that I keep all of my wraps and bracelets on. So this is what it looks like right here. This is where I keep only her jewelry, and this is what I look at every single day to figure out what I want to wear. So I love that. It's just a little thing I got off of Amazon, but it's just where I can keep them all displayed, visibly see them, have them kind of color coordinated, and it just helps me pick which one I want for the day. I just love it. So let's go ahead and dive into this little blue bag. They are reusable. You can use these bags for anything, or you can just keep your jewelry safe inside. Ooh, oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, so for the bracelet for this month, this is what it is. It's, I don't know how you say that, lepidite, I'm not quite sure. Tomato, tomato. I'm not even gonna try it. But look at those colors, like the lavender and the purple. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Beautiful. And I don't think I have anything with these purples. I love getting colors that I don't have, even if it's a shade different or anything, just something different. I love having different color variations, but that is a gorgeous, gorgeous purple. I could have a few less beads to make them smaller. If she wants to not put so many, she's more than welcome to make these a little bit smaller for me, but I don't want to change anything or be like, hey, you know, they send them to me, so I'm not trying to be picky. But I know she could save some material if she could cut off a few of them. That would be great, save her some time. So this one, let me just tell you what it says. And I love these cards. I always tell you guys I keep these cards. They're great references, because if you have a lot of them and you might not know what was this, because I can't keep up with all of these. Who can? Kudos to you. Let me tell you, I just can't keep up with all of these to save my life. Let me tell you, I want to. I have books. I want to keep learning. I don't want to ever stop learning. But right now, I'm nowhere near where I would like to be. But I do love these because, again, it does have a clear image right on it. So you can kind of match it up to see what stone it is. And then it tells you a little information on it. And I can pretty much read everything. It's pretty user friendly, at least for me to read it. So for this particular stone right here, it says it's sometimes called the peace stone or grandmother stone because of its thought to have nurturing and calming properties. It is used for harmonizing the body, mind, and soul. This gentle flowing gemstone is all about bringing balance and stability. It offers peace and promotes restful sleep, protected from outside influences. Ooh, and I just love learning about them to know, because that's really neat to have even on you. That's a great, great stone. So again, that's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful purple. I can't wait to see what the necklace is going to be. But let's go ahead and show you what the healing crystal is for this month. Look at how pretty that is. So this is rhodonite, I believe you say, and it has the little points on both sides. Known as the rescue stone, it bolsters feelings of forgiveness and compassion and unconditional love. Its strong heart-based medicine helps release your fears, which are sometimes distinguished as toxic emotions like anger, jealousy, or resentment. It surrounds you with the highest vibrations of love and pink energy. That is awesome. And it is just really, really pretty. And I just like the cut of it, just how it looks. Sometimes they're like a little heart shape. Sometimes they're just a round shape. So you do get different shapes, which is really neat. Okay, you guys. So now let's dive into the necklace for this box, and then we can jump into the, oh, this one's amethyst. Definitely is going to match with the purple colors then. So here, oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. So here is the amethyst, and this is the necklace. Amethyst is the perfect stone for you if you are facing stressful times in your life. This crystal helps people cope with stress by supporting mental calm. It also provides protection from addiction. It helps you make good decisions that will benefit you in the long run, avoiding those instant gratifications that don't feel so great later. So that is for amethyst, but this is gorgeous. And just like the little cut of the stone that you have in there, and I'm sure that's all going to be different. Everyone will probably be a little different because of the way that it is handmade, but that is gorgeous. So there's silver on the outside edges. Give it just a little bit of, you know, little silver flare. So, so pretty. And then there's the back of it. Oh my goodness. That is just beautiful. Let me go ahead and take this one off. I should always be prepared. When I sit down to do this, I should just already take this off. It's not what I think about. So let's get that off and get this one on. And then with this box, generally they're always silver when it comes to the color. Might get a yellow gold or a rose gold from time to time, but generally speaking, they're mainly silver, which I absolutely love. I love silver, so I'm all for anything silver. Look at how gorgeous. And then you have the purple that can go with it, that'll match. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now that is everything for the manifestation box. You have your meditation cards, what you're working with, your astrology, the bracelet, the necklace, and the healing crystal. Okay, you guys, so now let's go ahead and dive into the Mother Earth Wrap Club. I absolutely love this one as well. It's just completely different. The bracelets are just really dainty, sometimes really, really shiny. It's just a little different. I love them both, but I absolutely love seeing this wrap bracelet as well. So let's get into this one and we'll see what we have for this month. Now with this one, you do not have like what we're working with, the astrology, all of that. You just have the wrap bracelet, and then there's one little gift that they put in there, and that can be anything and everything under the sun pretty much. It could be like a little rollerball essential oil, it could be a small candle, it could be a small journal, it could be anything, but I do like that you get a little surprise gift with that every month, and you never know what it's going to be. So it looks like this month, here is going to be our surprise gift. At first, I thought this was going to be a lip balm, but it says travel solves, helps temporarily relieve symptoms, plant with purpose. Oh, just says wash your hands well and then apply all over the affected area. Not all heroes wear capes. That's what it says right there. All right, so let me just open all of these up and we'll see what's inside of here. Maybe they do different things because it's like 4 different ones in here. All right, so this blue one right here, it says dry skin solve. So for dry skin, you can use that one. This one here says first aid. So you'll have that. This would be great to put in my first aid kit that's in my car. This one has pain relief, or the one that's in my house because I don't know if these would melt. One of the two, it's gonna go in one of my first aid kits. This one says skin repair. That is really neat. I'm actually really, really more excited that these are 4 different things and they're not just like a normal lip balm that we get in boxes a lot. So this literally you can put in your first aid kit and you can use for 4 different reasons. I like that. Again, you can find anything in this box for that little gift, and that is super, super neat. And they do give you cards in this one, so you can see some more of their amazing jewelry. It's just, oh my gosh, look at that. I just love this stuff, you guys. I do. So in here will be the wrap bracelet down in its own box. It says Mother Earth Wrap Club, and it is the same stone as this one. But of course it's in the small version and you have all of the different colors. Oh my goodness. So you do have the one that hangs right here. I love when you have a little hanging ball on the side, just a little detail to it. It's just gorgeous. So it's the same exact card from the other one. So the same exact meaning that I read originally. If you want to check one more time to see it, there you go. But look at how pretty. So the difference, like, you can see the different color variation instantly pretty much between the two. And I just love that. I love having more options. Like I said earlier, oh, let me take this one off. I love having more options because you might have a lavender or a darker purple. And so now you'll have different colors between, you know, depending on what you feel like wearing, or wear them both. But oh my gosh, I love that. Look at that, you guys. I just love that little hanging ball. I love all those lavenders and stuff in there. That is gorgeous. Ah, gorgeous. Okay, so now that is everything for the Mother Earth Wrap Club. You have this 4-piece solve set for 4 different things that you can use, put in your first aid kit, whichever. And then you have this amazing wrap bracelet that is absolutely beautiful. I just love that. So now that is everything for the Mother Earth Wrap for June. Okay, you guys. So now that is everything to show for both different variations for June. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the main crystal that was used this month? What do you think of the manifestation box versus the Mother Earth Wrap Club? Which one would you have wanted to get this month? Definitely let me know. If you like a little bit more information about these boxes, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you 20% off your first box or any purchase on their site. You don't have to go straight to a subscription. They sell all of their individual pieces and they have so many things. They have anklets, keychains, bracelets, necklaces. They have so many different things that you can find on their shop, and that 20% off code will go for any of their shop items. So SheCrafty will get you 20% off their online shop or your first box. So for the manifestation box, this is a monthly box for everyone who wants to manifest living happy and was born of the desire to spread positivity and aid in conscious living. For month to month, it is $39. If you do 3 months, it'll bring it down to $36. 6-month plan will bring it down to $34. And if you go to a full 12-month plan, it'll bring it down to $33 per box. And everything that you get in that one should be about $100 value that you do get, which is a great discount for going with the subscription versus purchasing them individually, but you can do either one you would like. So for the Mother Earth Wrap Club, that one, if you do month per month, it is billed at $39. 3 months will bring that down to $36. A 6-month plan will bring it to $34, and a full 12-month plan will bring that down to $33 per box. She also does give back and donate. There is a section on her page, on her website, which goes over all of the different stuff and how she does donate and to which organizations, if you want to check that out. I love when companies donate because in shopping with them, you're helping to donate and we all are helping each other. And I can never say that enough, how much I absolutely love that. So everything will be linked down below. And again, SheCrafty will get you 20% off if you are interested. Now comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.